How to fix Windows not starting issue. To fix Windows not starting issue, try 1. Note down the error code you're facing, then Google that error for some troubleshooting tips on the web. Ensure update your system and device drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Ensure your CD or DVD drive is empty. 3. Disconnect all external unnecessary devices. 4. Perform hardware check, from disk to RAM and to display card. 5. Google how to reset update your BIOS settings. 6. Reset or reinstall Windows.